Welcome back to Mentoring TV. Today I'm going to teach you how to check whether a UAE visa is reflecting online, whether it has been applied, issued, used, or cancelled. This guide will help you verify your status and avoid being misled by agents. Checking visa status, using passport information first. Click the link provided in the description or comments section. Select passport information as your search method. Under Type, choose Visa. Enter your passport number. Enter your passport expiry date using the calendar or by typing it manually. From the nationality drop-down, select your country, for example, Kenya. Complete the security verification, then click Search. If the system displays no data found, it means no visa has been applied for that passport. This is important because some agents may claim your visa is already processed. Always verify online to avoid being deceived. Checking visa status using Emirates Unified Number now, let's check for someone who already has a visa. If the person has a visa, they will have an Emirates Unified Number. Select. Search by Unified Number, enter the Unified Number, exactly as it appears on the visa. Choose the nationality from the drop-down, enter the date of birth. Click Search. The system will display the visa details, including file number Emirates, Unified Number Visa, type file status, e.g., issued, issue date, expiry date. If the status shows used, it means the person has already entered the United Arab Emirate, UAE. Checking a canceled visa for someone whose visa was applied but later canceled. You will use the passport method because a canceled visa does not have an active unified number. Select Search by Passport. Choose Type. Visa. Enter the passport number. Enter the passport expiry date. Select the nationality. Verify and click Search. Important. Notes: use passport details if the person does not have a visa. Use Unified Number plus date of birth if the person already has a visa. Always check your visa online to avoid misinformation. The nationality drop-down allows you to type your country name for quick selection. result will show file number unified number, if previously issued. File status. Cancelled before entry validation, date last date. Allowed to enter, sometimes not displayed. This confirms the visa was applied but cancelled before the person entered the UAE. Thank you for watching Mentoring TV. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment so we can continue helping you with visa guidance and safe migration information.